G'day everyone, it's Luke here from IPM Media. Today in this video we're going to be going over Glue Loyalty and reviewing it and walking you through how to use it. For those that haven't used Glue Loyalty before, it's a small business tool that helps keep your customers, and essentially it's a loyalty program. And what's great about Glue is that it creates you an app and it creates your website and it does it all, and it's quite reasonably priced. If we have a look at the pricing, 1 to 7 members is free for the first 14 days, and then 8 to 50 about the $30 mark, and then up to 160, and then up a bit higher, 110. So it's quite good value, really, considering the features you get of an app and a website. You can have a little look at how it works in here, so you can see the loyalty features. If we have a look, you can see there are plenty of things you can do with it, from digital loyalty cards through to subscriptions. So it's really, really good for small businesses looking to expand and sell their items online and in apps, and create a loyalty subscription while you're doing it. Great for places like hairdressers, bars, pubs, hotels. Now let's have a look at how we can do it. Let's hit try Glue and I'll walk you through how to sign up and how it all works. So Glue has got an AI system built into it that lets you select what industry you're in, let's say apparel, and then it helps generate your loyalty program for you. What type of business do you own? Let's say we're an apparel store that sells in retail. So we're a clothing store essentially. Which business is exactly? Let's say we are a t-shirt store. They're fairly popular. Which country to business in? Australia. And we're done. So Glue has set up. Tell us about 3 of your best selling products. Let's just call it t-shirt 1, t-shirt 2, t-shirt 3. Let's call it $29.90, $35.50. and $44.90. In principle, how much of a discount would you like to give customers on your products? Let's say we're looking to give 20% off our products as an enticing thing. And here we go. What's your business name? Let's call it T-shirt brand. Your first and last name, Luke Mead. Let's choose your colors. Let's say, for example, our color is a nice blue. Let's choose a nice kind of blue purple like that. And let's go for a dark mode. And Glue starts to generate your loyalty program for you straight away. Now, the powerful thing about Glue is that, like I mentioned before, it lets you customize your loyalty program with these different features that you want to give people, and then it generates the app and the website for people to use. And the next best thing about Glue is that it automatically sends out notifications for you, and oh, here we go. Let's send it to this email here. Sorry, okay, let's send it there. And Glue should now send us this program, as it does. Now, what I was saying about Glue earlier is that it's an AI powered program, so it's designed to do all of the automation by itself. So you don't have to worry too much about how it works. You simply put in your products, your pricing, and what you want to do, and Glue generates the rest. And now we should be inside Glue. You might have heard that I just got a text message, and now we can download Glue. So I'm going to put my phone number in. And now we're ready. Now Glue should be just about set up now. You might hear my phone ring in the background as I get these notifications coming through. And here we are, guys. Welcome to the Glue dashboard. Quickly set a password. Now, so here's how the Glue dashboard works. You can see we've got the dashboard here, which is showing members, revenue, and just some data about what's happening. This will be all empty because we've got nothing going on. On the left-hand side here, we can start to see information about our loyalty program. So if we go down here, we can have a look at the features. So in the features section, we can have a look at what we want to offer people. So we can see there is points reward systems. We've got coupons available to give out to people. You can see Glue has already generated some for us. You can see it's generated a welcome aboard reward. So for joining the program, you get 15% off. And you can also see that it generated a buy 5, get 2 free coupon. It also generates loyalty cards. So you can see buy 5 t-shirts, get 1 free, buy 5 t-shirts, get 1 free. So you can see there's loyalty cards generated. We have punch cards as well, and we have scratch cards as well. So there's a heap of features, and you can see the scratch to win here that Glue automatically generates for you and puts in, so you don't have to worry about doing all of this yourself. Glue also, as I said, generates your mobile app for you, and you can edit that in here. It's super easy. You can change settings, layouts, screens, pages. It's all super easy to do, and you can see what it's like in here. And this is all quite a really simple dashboard for managing Glue. If you want, you can also change your strategy. So you can see we wanted to do up to 20% off, and you can see that set for here. You can adjust membership tiers, loyalty cards in here. So you can change your strategy. If you want to drop it down to 3%, you can do that, or you can even up it. So changing it's nice and easy. Glue offers a heap of settings for adjusting how the app program works. So you can see we can adjust the app icon, the t-shirt, your welcome screen. You can even change the way you want to have words appear, what you want to say. The messaging is adjustable too. All the email notifications, so you can write what you want. Let's have a look at how you get the app going. Now, you see here, we've got on settings. So now, automatically, Glue will publish your store to its own marketplace called Glue Market. And you can see there is a link here, and we can send this link to people on their phone to go and download. We can also put it into our computer, and it should take us somewhere. Here we go. So you can see we can join the brand through our computer, or we can send this to our phone or any phone and have people sign up that way. Now that's really great in the beginning, but in the long term, it's really powerful to have your store, your app listed on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. So to do that, all you've got to do is fill out all the details here, the names, the descriptions, some screenshots for Android and iOS, and then you can submit your app straight to the Google Play and App Store through here, which is really, really powerful. I hope this video has been a really helpful introduction to Glue Loyalty for you guys. Just wanted to show you a bit about how to use the program and what it takes to sign up and how quickly it is. Overall, I love this program. I think value for money, there's nothing else out there like it. And I think as Glue gets better, we're gonna see the programs and the apps get better as well. So I wouldn't hesitate to jump on now, master Glue and invest in it, because we know loyalty programs do pay massive, massive rewards in the long term for businesses. And this one's so easy and simple to do that I recommend that you do it. I hope that this gave you some help, guys. Now, I have got an affiliate link for Glue. If you want to support the video and support me, it means a lot to me if you purchased Glue through my link. That means I get a small bit of money, which essentially helps me pay back this time for creating this video. I really appreciate that, guys. Have a great day and keep well. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.